Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up LC phone email in GoHighLevel the right way. This setup is essential for managing your client communications effectively, combining both phone and email capabilities in one powerful platform. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to GoHighLevel.com and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, you can start a free trial or reach out to their sales team to get an account set up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your agency dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your operations. Now let's tackle the phone setup. Look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll spot a phone icon, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on the Purchase Now button, the one with the cart icon next to it. This will redirect you directly to the phone system page where you can manage and purchase phone numbers. Once you're on the phone system page, you'll want to add a new number. Click on the plus Add Number button and a drop-down menu will pop up. Select Add Phone Number from the options presented. This opens up the phone number selection interface where you'll configure your new line. In the selection menu, start by choosing the country origin for your phone number. For this tutorial, we'll select United States, but you can choose whichever country fits your business needs. After selecting the country, you'll see a comprehensive list of available phone numbers along with their details. Each listing shows the area code, the state where the number originates, its capabilities such as calling, SMS, and MMS features, and the pricing structure. Take your time reviewing these options because choosing the right number matters for local presence and client trust. Once you've found the perfect number, click the radio button on the left side of that listing and then click Proceed to Buy to complete the purchase. Now let's set up the lead connector email system. Look at the left side menu just above the phone system section and you'll see the email services menu. Click on it to access your email configuration options. Here's the great news. When you arrive at this page, you'll notice that LC or lead connector is already set as the default email provider for GoHighLevel. This means the integration is already built in and ready to use right out of the box, making your setup incredibly straightforward. And that's it. You've now configured both your phone system and confirmed your lead connector email setup in GoHighLevel, giving you a complete communication solution for your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.